Tunes up, road wide open, sudden flash, blue and red in your mirror. That sinking feeling? We've all been there. The officer hands you a ticket. It feels like a disaster. Fines, insurance hikes, the works.
But here's the good news. That ticket isn't the end.
It's just the start.
Most people just pay up. But you're here, looking for a smarter way.
We're breaking down 5 proven moves to beat a speeding ticket. Before you pay, know your options. This isn't about trickery. It's about knowing your rights and the system. Let's turn frustration into empowerment. Take a breath. We've got this. Blue lights, ticket in hand, don't just pay, here's how to fight back.
First, examine your ticket closely.
Check every detail, your name, car, location, date, and time.
Even small errors can matter.
A pattern of mistakes can show the officer was careless. Make a list of inconsistencies. This is your evidence. But don't stop at the ticket.
The officer's notes are crucial. You can request these notes.
Through discovery, after pleading not guilty, the notes reveal what the officer will say in court. If their notes contradict the ticket, that's your opening. Scrutinize everything, request the notes, and be prepared. This shows the court you're serious. Being prepared is half the battle. Respect the process, challenge the evidence. That's your first move. Next, let's talk about the radar or LiDAR gun.
These devices must be regularly calibrated.
To be accurate, if the device wasn't properly maintained, its reading is unreliable. You have the right to request calibration and maintenance records for the exact device used.
Look for missed service dates or malfunctions in the records.
If they can't prove the device was calibrated as required, you have a strong argument. Uncalibrated radar equals reasonable doubt. Sometimes paperwork is missing. If so, their case weakens. You're not arguing if you were speeding, but if they can prove it, that's a much better position. Use this to challenge the prosecution's evidence. Move 2. Demand the records. Timing is everything.
Every ticket comes with a deadline to respond. Usually 20 to 30 days.
Miss it, and you're found guilty by default. Check your ticket or court website for the exact deadline. Plead not guilty to unlock all your defense options. Mark the date, set reminders, don't procrastinate. Filing your plea is simple but essential. Without it, you can't request evidence or challenge the ticket. This step is your entry to the process. Don't lose before you start. Respond on time. That's move 3. Now challenge the officer's perception. Officers are human. They can make mistakes. Bad weather, heavy traffic, or poor visibility can all affect their observation. If you were in a group of cars, how can they be sure it was you? Radar guns can pick up the wrong vehicle in busy conditions. Question the officer about traffic weather and their vantage point. Visit the scene, take photos, document obstructions. Your goal is to introduce doubt, not accuse the officer of lying. If their observation wasn't crystal clear, you weaken their case. That's move 4. Sometimes you have a legal reason for speeding.
Emergencies,
like rushing someone to the hospital, can be valid defenses if you have proof. You need real evidence, not just an excuse.
another defense statute of limitations.
If your case is delayed too long, you can move to dismiss. Check for fatal flaws on the ticket.
Like missing signatures.
These can sometimes get your case thrown out. These are your last resort plays, but they work in the right situation. Know your rights and use every tool available. That's move 5. Let's wrap up. 5 strategies, now you're ready to fight your ticket.
Only a small percentage challenge tickets, but half of them win.
Don't expect miracles from a typo alone. Build your case with multiple points. Calibration, observation, legal defenses. Real people win real cases. Like Jane, who got her fine dismissed by finding a calibration lapse. You have rights and options. Take the first step. Download our free defense letter template. It helps you request officer notes and calibration records. Subscribe for more legal tips. Thanks for watching and good luck. You've got this.